Wait! Speak English, ha? Speak English.
Yes, sir.
Listen to me, listen to me.
I will listen to you.
Listen to me.
Yes, sir.
Sir Cord...
You're the boss.
You're the boss. I'm the host. I'm the host, but you're the boss.
I'm the boss.
But you're the boss. Speak English.
Speak English.
Okay.
Remove your sombrero.
What are you talking to me?
Talking to you is...
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay.
English.
Were you holding already?
I hold already.
Okay. Thanks to...
Thanks to everybody.
Yes, to sponsor.
Ma'am Cordelia, very, very appreciated. Thank you so much. And also kay,
English. From the beginning.
from the beginning,
Yes.
start to the beginning,
Let's
I
start.
would like to thank Ma'am Cordelia
Yeah.
and also Sir Mario and Ma'am Amy. Especially this money, very, very much money. How much? One, two, three. Oh, really? Thank you so much, Sir Mario and Ma'am Amy. This money is too much. But I'm sad because
Why?
Because my honey is no sobre. But don't worry, I would like to thank Sir Mario and Ma'am Amy. Don't worry, because this money I will give to my honey. Honey, come on. Come on. Sir Mario and Ma'am Amy, thank you so much. Because tonight, my honey is very sweet. Next! Yan, Kuya Ken! Yay!
Sayaw na.
Parang iba yung ano.
English.
English for what?
Yes, our sponsor is English Talking.
Wow, English opening dollar.
Yes.
Ma'am Emmy and Sir Mario Paule, thank you so much for the love and support for the whole Team Daddy Frankie. And we really appreciate your support. And ano pa ba? Ma-English.
And then, no, we need to speak English because the friend of Ma'am Amy is named Cordelia.
Cordelia.
Nurse Cordelia. That's why we need to give special thanks, special shout out.
Special thanks, special shout out to...
You make your own recipe.
I thought I copy yours.
No need.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Cordelia, for the support to all Team Daddy Frankie. And to Ma'am Emmy and Sir Mario, thank you for the high blood. Thank you for the snacks, no? And we really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
And then you need to dance.
Bakit may dance?
Yes, Ate Pele and you, not including myself, but you need to dance.
Dance lang.
Dance. Anything dance. No? You read. I will read the message from Emily. Si Cordelia po ito. Nurse na kasama ko na nagbigay siya ng $100 para kay Jessie. Jessie pala to. Jessie and Ate Peli na nagsalita ng English kay Cordelia. Pakisabi na lang po kay Jessie Ate Peli to say thanks to her and that they shared the $100 to troops, ang mga tropa. Okay lang po ba yung pamangkin ko, daan sila dyan sa inyo bago diretsyo ng Baguio. And I will try to call in AM. Thanks. Okay. So, kaya Jessie pala, tapos na sayaw. And magta-thank you ka kayo, Cordelia. Kasama ka na dyan.
Kasama na ako dito.
Oo, salamat. Mga kababayan,
Nagbago
Dito ka kasi dalawa tayo eh.
this dance is for Ma'am Cordelia. Okay. English kayo.
Oh,
Sabihin nyo, dedicated to
Tira.
Yes, Ma'am Cordelia.
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 Ma'am, thank you very much on all money.
Oh. We make dance ko na. Okay, dancing.
One,
2, 3, go. Okay. Next. Ay, wait lang. There's more and many more.
There's more.
Yeah.
Kita ko na rin to, Dad.
Oh, yeah. Ay, yun.
Yeah.
Ay, wow.
Explanation.
Different. Why different?
Wait.
Why different?
Yeah, wait.
Yeah, explain. There's so many people jealous.
Yes.
Come forward. Everybody listen. Okay, listen.
Ken.
Why can...
Ken.
Oh, English.
The dollar is
Dada.
40. This one is $40.
Oh,
30.
No, $40 for Ken.
Oh.
So the $10 is not go to Sobre. Nahulog daw.
Falling down. Oh.
So
That's why.
the $10 he give 600 pesos. So your money 600 is here.
Oh.
So I will give 600 for you.
I will change your money.
Yes.
But, okay. How much dollar today? 65. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 950.
950.
Yeah. Tax. Okay, just kidding. Kayo naman. Okay. Oh, speak English, ha?
Speak English.
Okay.
So
So,
the 600 I will give to Ken because that $10 she did not put here in Sobre. So this one, 1, 2, 3,
oh.
4, 5. That's
Ubra ka din. Nag-aihi ka natin o paano yung ihi mo?
kasi yan sa ano, dun sa ano.
Sandaan
Basta yan sa ano.
Okay?
So yan.
Okay, clear?
Yes.
No jealous?
Clear.
No jealous.
No.
Okay. Say thank you.
Ma'am
Cordelia.
Ma'am Cordelia and Ma'am
Amy and Sir Mario.
Thank you so much. This is a lot and for gasoline.
Okay. Okay. I understand.
Unfair to travel in my family. Thank you so much.
Tararariraran, tarararararan, tararariraran, tararariraran.
Wala pa po ba?
Okay.
Thank you so much po.
Next person.
Yes, Yaya Feli.
Ate Feli.
Yes.
Ate Feli. Okay. Open Ate Feli.
Yes. So yun.
Oh, English.
Okay. Sir and
Okay. Sige.
Sir and Ma'am Amy, thank you so much for this money. And Ma'am Cordelia, thank you so much. I'm so very happy, Ma'am, because this one is for my family.
Yeah. Yay! More. Pag sinabing kailangan ikot na ikot. Sige, ulit. Tarariraran, tararariraran, tararariraran,
you so much.
Okay. Salamat po, Ma'am Emmy and Sir Cordelia. Salamat po sa...
This is for
Ay,
you.
there's more.
Yes, that's more. That's for you, Daddy.
Wait, wait, wait. Wait. Speak English, ha? Speak English.
Yes, sir.
Listen to me. Listen
Yes,
to
sir. I will listen to you.
me. Listen to me.
Yes, sir.
Sir Cord...
You're the boss.
You're the boss. I'm the host. I'm the host. But you're the boss.
I'm the boss.
But you're the boss. Speak English.
Speak English.
Okay.
Remove your sombrero.
What are you talking to me?
Talking to you is...
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay.
English.
Were you holding already?
I hold already. too
Okay.
much.
Thanks to...
Thanks to everybody.
Yes, to sponsor.
Ma'am Cordelia, very, very appreciated. Thank you so much. And also kay,
English. From the beginning.
from the beginning, to
Yes.
start to the beginning,
Yes,
I
sir.
would like to thank Ma'am Cordelia
Yes.
and also Sir Mario and Ma'am Amy. Especially this money,
Yup.
very, very much money. How much? Ay, one? Two? Three! Oh, really? So, too much. Thank you so much, Sir Mario and Ma'am Amy. This money is too much. But I'm sad because
Why?
because my honey is no sobre. But don't worry, I would like to thank Sir Mario and Ma'am Amy. Don't worry, because this money I will give to my honey. Honey, come on. Come on. Sir Mario and Ma'am Amy, thank you so much because tonight my honey is very sweet. Because this money I will give to you. I love you, honey. I love you much. More love you. I love you so much. Very much. What can you say to me?
I love you.
Much more money. That's why you need to speak English also. Too much speak. It's say thank you to Ma'am Amy and Ma'am Cordelia and Sir Mario.
So,
English!
Mama,
No. Introduce yourself first.
Hi, I'm
How old are you?
48.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Aling Rochelle.
Very old?
Hi, I'm Aling Rochelle,
Sorry.
a wife and favorite wife of the
Oh, wow.
and I'm 48 years old.
Yan. Okay.
And by the way, Ma'am Emmy and Sir Mario, thank you very much for this money. Even without me, it's okay.
I understand what are you...
But thank you, and he gave money from Daddy Frankie. Thank you very much.
Yun. Kiss. Count muna, count.
ang saya-saya niya!
I know later tonight, very sweet. Much money. How much?
I love you.
No. 5,000. So, 5 times.